Hi, everybody. You didn't expect to see me today, did you? Well, guess what? I'm back. No, just kidding. I'm not really. I'm home. So I wanted to explain today a little bit about what you're going to do in class. Um, I found a bunch of articles that I think are really interesting, and I want to have a conversation about them next week. So, in order to get ready for that conversation, I want you guys, I gave the substitute an article for you to read. So, just like on the screen, it says read an article. And then you're going to continue on with the Google Classroom assignment. So, after you read the article and highlight it, you're going to go back and watch a video. And while you're reading the article and watching the video, I want you to collect information. I want you to really think about what you are reading and what you are seeing. Because the more you think about it, the better our conversation is going to be. Okay, so you're going to be gathering information, thinking deeply, and then hopefully we'll be ready to talk about it next week. Okay, now, so here are the detailed directions. So the name of the article is called What is Language? You're going to underline or highlight important and interesting facts. Okay, so both, and it's real important that you do both, important and interesting. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to hold on to the article, don't hand it in. You're going to watch the other video that's on Google Classroom, and you're going to take notes as you go, okay? And videos are great because you can pause them and, stop them and write some stuff down, and then you can play them again. If you try to take notes in class, as I'm sure you probably have, it's hard because the person up at the front of the room just keeps talking and talking. Okay. So pause it if you need to. And if you get done before other people, before everybody else is done, I want you to read. And then when everybody is done, everybody's going to find a partner, and the substitute's going to set the timer for 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes for both of you to talk. Okay, so essentially 2.5 minutes for each person. You are going to share with your partner the things that you found that were important and interesting. Okay? And it's the article, like I said, it's about language, and it's stuff that we really don't think about on a daily basis. We use language all the time, and we don't really stop to think about it. All right, so after you get done talking, you're going to go back to your seats, and you're going to work independently. And again, that means by yourself, not with somebody else. You're going to come up with these 3 things right down here. A definition of what language is. You're going to pick out the 5 probably most important facts that you found, or the things that you think are most important to what language really is. And then you're going to find 2 interesting things that you really thought was kind of cool. And you can frame them in a did you know kind of a question. Did you know that language, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And you're going to type them up on a Google Doc. And then you will share the document with me. Don't forget to do that. Actually, you know what? When you first open the Google Doc, type your name at the top, at the usually right over here on the top right-hand side of the screen. You can type, it says untitled document or untitled whatever. Type right over top of that, and you can just call it language and put your name in it, and then that's easy for me to know whose it is without having to open it. I can see it right in my my list of documents. So title it, and then go right over to the share button and share it with me right then, even before you start typing, and then you won't forget. Okay. So you're going to write all of those things down. So it's not going to take you long. It's probably going to take you a lot longer to think and talk and whatever. But I'm not asking you to do it a lot. So I want you to think about it. Then, so after you share the document and type it all out, when you get done, I want you to work on IXL if you are not finished. I know you guys were, well, the plans I left were for you to work on the IXL in the morning also. But you need to get that finished. And I left the substitute a list of who needs to finish which of the topics. So if you get that finished, that's priority right there. Then you can either read or you can work on a story that you've already started, or you can start a new one, whatever you want to do. All right. I think that's it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.